Tesla, known for its innovative electric vehicles, is rumored to be entering the smartphone market with a device codenamed Model Pi. While Tesla has not made any official confirmation, the possibility of a Tesla phone has sparked curiosity and excitement among consumers and industry experts alike. In this video, we'll be looking at the Tesla Electro Phone unboxing and its expected features. But before we get started, I have to let you know that the best update is at the end, so stick around until the very end of the video to find out what it is. Let's go. One potential advantage for Tesla smartphone is its compatibility with Starlink, SpaceX's satellite-based broadband internet service. As of July 2022, Starlink provides internet coverage to 36 countries, including the US, Canada, the UK, Germany, France, Italy, and New Zealand. With 3,000 satellites in orbit at an altitude of 550 kilometers, Starlink's network communicates with ground stations on Earth called gateway stations, providing internet access to users through antennas on the planet's surface. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has announced a new version of Starlink called Starlink V2 that can directly target mobile phones, bypassing cellular network providers. This could provide Tesla smartphone users with a constant internet connection regardless of their location, which could be a significant advantage in connectivity and communication. Another potential benefit of a Tesla smartphone could be its compatibility with Tesla electric vehicles. Users may be able to lock and unlock their vehicles, adjust temperature settings, play music, and access other vehicle controls directly from their phones, making driving and operating their Tesla vehicles more convenient and user-friendly. This integration could potentially increase demand for Tesla vehicles by enhancing the overall user experience and simplifying vehicle management. Furthermore, a Tesla smartphone could potentially support Neuralink, a technology developed by Elon Musk's other venture which aims to enable the mind control of electronic devices. While Neuralink is still in its early stages of development, successful implementation could have far-reaching implications, allowing disabled users to operate computers or artificial limbs and potentially even smartphones using their minds. This could be a game changer for Neuralink and its acceptance as a groundbreaking technology. Another potential feature of a Tesla smartphone could be energy storage via solar panels. Solar charging options for mobile devices, including smartphones, have not been widely adopted in the market despite the increasing demand for sustainable solutions. Tesla's expertise in solar energy and energy storage could potentially be leveraged to incorporate solar charging capabilities into its smartphones, providing users with access to a clean and renewable source of energy for their devices. This could extend the battery life of the smartphone and contribute to environmental sustainability. Moreover, Tesla's forthcoming smartphone could also have implications for space exploration. Elon Musk has expressed his vision of establishing a human settlement on Mars, and internet access would be crucial for such a venture. Tesla's smartphone, utilizing the Starlink network, could potentially enable interplanetary communication, allowing users on Mars to stay connected to Earth. However, challenges such as adapting the system for use on Mars and the lifespan of satellites in Mars' environment would need to be overcome for this vision to become a reality. Next is its astrophotography feature, which is the practice of capturing images of celestial bodies such as stars, planets, and galaxies using a camera. We know how difficult it is to capture sharp and clear images of objects in the night sky due to low light conditions and other technical difficulties. That's what Tesla is trying to achieve. Currently, some smartphones with artificial intelligence capabilities are already capable of taking decent night sky photos. However, SpaceX, a company known for its focus on space exploration, could potentially take astrophotography to the next level with its rumored mobile device referred to as Model Pi. This phone is speculated to have improved low-light performance and the ability to identify and track astronomical objects, making it a useful tool for amateur astronomers. Furthermore, the reputation of Tesla, a company known for its innovation in the electric vehicle industry, could potentially boost the popularity of such a phone. Even though sending humans into space is not yet feasible, companies like SpaceX and Tesla may provide opportunities for people to learn about the cosmos through their mobile devices. Another rumored feature of the Tesla phone is the ability to mine cryptocurrencies such as Mars Coin, which aligns with Elon Musk's known interest in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Dogecoin. However, robust hardware would need to be in place for reliable cryptocurrency mining on a mobile device. The anticipated publication date for the Tesla phone is speculated to be in late 2023 or early 2024. However, Tesla may not be in a hurry to release the product due to competition from other industry giants like Apple and Samsung. The reported price of the Tesla phone is expected to be high, potentially several $1,000s for the initial iteration, making it less affordable for most people. However, subsequent versions could see price reductions as the technology becomes more widely used. Details on the technology inside the Tesla phone are not confirmed, and speculations are based on limited evidence. It is expected to have a 6.5-inch AMOLED screen, 512 gigabytes to 1 or 2 terabytes of storage, 8 to 16 gigabytes of RAM, and other standard features. Regarding the speed, we should understand that Starlink is a feature that allows you to download something very fast when you download it. So we are also expecting the Model Pi to have 150 to 200 megabytes per second download capability. Tesla's lack of a PR team and official announcements about the phone's features make it difficult to predict when it will be available for purchase. To this end, the Model Pi could potentially revolutionize astrophotography and incorporate cryptocurrency mining capabilities. However, as of now, many details about the phone remain speculative, and it is yet to be seen how it will perform in the market. And that's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, ensure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a like. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.